Hello, kids. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? You would say, I'm goody, goody, good. I'm Gregory, great. I'm happy. All right, very good. Now, today, kids, we're going to learn 3 vocabulary words. All right, let's get started. Okay, now here comes the first picture. All right, so this one is prepare. Everybody say prepare, prepare. Good job. All right, we're going to make a sound. The sound is um, um. What is this? Um. Very good. Prepare. Next. All right. So this one is future. Okay, the sound is ooh. Everybody say ooh. What's this? Ooh. Future. Very good. Next. All right, this is gather. Everybody say gather. Very good. The sound is om. Om. Again. Om. Again. Very good. All right, now let's get back to the beginning. Okay, let's get started. What is this? Very good. Prepare next. Ooh, ooh. Good job. Future. And last one is um, um, um. Very good. Gather. All right. So thank you so much, students, and goodbye.